how to set voicemail notification to alert or silent on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on phone app. After click on phone app, click on this three dot icon and click on settings. Now in call settings, scroll down and click on voicemail. After click on voicemail, click on notifications. After click on notifications, and you will see click on sound. After click on sound, so if you want to set silent, click on silent. If you want to set default notification sound, click on default notification sound. If you want to set ringtone, so after select, go back to home screen. So that's how you can set voicemail notification to alert or silent on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.